How to access the heating schedule. Tap anywhere on the screen to wake the thermostat. Press the menu button, then select Heating Schedule. Choose Week Type and select the option you wish to customize. To change workdays or home days, an information screen will appear. Tap the right arrow to continue. Select the days you'd like set as workdays, then tap the right arrow again. The thermostat will automatically assign the remaining days as home days. Tap the tick icon to confirm, then use the left arrow to return to the heating schedule menu. Setting the event schedule. Select Event Schedule to set your target temperatures and start times for each event. Use the left and right arrows to move through the available events. Tap the temperature or time on each screen. Then use the up and down arrows to adjust the settings. When setting the off event temperature, it can be helpful to set this to a much lower temperature, like 5 degrees Celsius. This ensures your system remains off. If set higher, your system may turn on to maintain that temperature setting. Setting the number of events per day. Select Events per Day to choose either a 4-event or 6-event schedule. Tap the tick icon to confirm and use the left arrow to return to the heating schedule screen. How to access manual override. Tap the screen once to wake the thermostat. Select Manual to access manual override mode. When in manual mode, a hand icon appears. Use the up and down arrows to choose your preferred temperature. Leave the thermostat as is to continue in manual mode, or tap the X button to return to scheduled operation. How to turn on comfort mode. Tap Other to access additional operating modes. Select comfort mode, then tap the tick icon to confirm. Use the arrows to choose your preferred temperature and confirm again with the tick icon. Set the duration for comfort mode using the arrows, then confirm once more. How to access boost mode. Tap Other to access additional operating modes. Select boost mode and tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap X at any time to return to scheduled operation. How to turn on Frost Protect. Tap Other to access additional operating modes. Select Frost Protect and tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap X at any time to return to scheduled operation. How to use holiday mode. Tap Other to access additional operating modes. Use the down arrow to locate holiday mode. Switch the on-off button to the on position, then tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap the right arrow to continue. Use the arrows to set your leave and return dates. A confirmation screen will briefly appear before the thermostat enters holiday mode. Tap X at any time to return to scheduled operation. How to turn on Eco function. Press the menu button and select User Settings. Use the down arrow to locate the Eco function. Switch the on-off button to the on position, then tap the tick icon to confirm. Use the left arrow to return to the previous screen when finished. How to change the display brightness. Press the menu button and select User Settings. Choose Display Brightness. Use the arrows to adjust the screen brightness to your preferred level. Tap the tick icon to confirm your selection. Tap the left arrow to return to the home screen. How to turn on Child Lock. Press the menu button and select User Settings. Choose Child Lock. Switch the on-off button to the on position, then tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap the left arrow to return to the home screen. Before operating the thermostat again, you must unlock the device. Tap the screen to activate the thermostat. Draw an L shape on the screen, as shown, without lifting your finger. If done correctly, the home screen will appear. How to change your screensaver. Press the menu button and select User Settings. Choose Screensaver. Select the information you'd like displayed on the screensaver. Then tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap the left arrow to return to the home screen. How to change the energy tariff settings. Press the menu button and select User Settings. Use the down arrow to locate and select Energy Tariff. Select the setting you'd like to update. For currency, choose your preferred currency and tap the tick icon to confirm. For price per kilowatt hour, use the arrows to set your electricity rate. Then tap the tick icon to confirm your selection. Changing the load settings. If you don't want the thermostat to automatically detect the load, switch the setting to off. Otherwise, leave it on. Tap the tick icon to confirm. Use the arrows to set the kilowatt load value. Your heating engineer or installer will provide this information. Tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap the warning screen to continue. To manually change the load setting, tap the load button and to switch the on-off setting to the desired state. Tap the tick icon to confirm. Tap the warning screen to continue. Then use the right arrow to return to the home screen. How to access the QR code. Press the menu button and select User Settings. Use the down arrow to locate information. Tap the QR button to display the QR code. For additional support, please contact support@coldbuster.com.au. We are here to help.